Everybody, Vinny Vegas here. I'm at the front of the Sphere. I decided just to take a little walk over here because I never have. Plaza entry, they have facial recognition here. Plaza concierge, plaza entry. It's over there. Just sections. 200, 400 sections. This is all 200, 400 sections. Plaza entry I saw over there. If I kept going to my ride over here towards Sands, there's a VIP entry or something. Maybe walk a little ways down. So I'm not quite sure what show this is for, but maybe it's for that postcard from Earth. Showing some ocean stuff. Take a look at that screen too. You can see all the little dots they have. Actually quite impressive. So behind me there's this parking lot here, and I just came from across the street. There's another parking garage over there. I heard them say $27. Don't know if that's for the show or how many, if that's per hour. So right here is Sands, I believe. Okay, so there I am back there. Closet entry, east entry, west entry, Sands Avenue. There's that bridge to the Venetian let's talk about on the sign. I'm gonna get back over here on Sands Avenue, take this little path down here, and we'll explore Hughes Center. This just caught my attention. Look at the size of that camera. I don't know if it looks how big it looks from here, but it's gotta be at least like 2 feet. So right here, Sands of Manhattan. Oh. And there's that parking I was talking about. I think continue my walk down here. I'll dodge this traffic for sure. Monorail. I believe it might be coming from the West Gate, because I remember seeing the rails going over there. That's pretty cool. Wonder if it stops at that bridge over there, that walkway. Be sure to like and subscribe. Appreciate you for watching. Paradise Road down there. Nice shaded walkway. Hughes Center. Howard Hughes Parkway. Sands Avenue right here. Got palm trees providing a lot of shade. And luxury apartments over there. Sands in Paradise. Highline at Hughes Center Apartments. Then once you cross Paradise, it turns into Twain. Better make my way down to the Collective right there. So it's not too far of a walk if you're going to the Sphere. The Boring Company's drilling right here. Because that building looks abandoned right there. And there's like just a huge hole in the ground. I'll throw a picture. Interesting. Izakaya Tora. They have a lot of cool signage up there. Let's take a look at their menu. Yuzu Scampi. Sold out of the A5 Wagyu skewer. There's a seasonal item called Afiri. Ringo-san. Junmai Jinjo. Perfect with kitchen starters. Opens at 5 to 2 a.m. Junmai Jinjo, I believe. Junmai Gold. This is on Paradise and Corporate Drive at the Collective. There's a sake tasting. This one was my favorite. Had notes of orange in there. This one's mild too, not too sweet. This one, Kikushi Funaguchi. Nice name. Very hard to get. This one, if you're into sweet stuff. Kasumi Susuro. Filming a promo right now. Come check out this plaza, 5 to 2 a.m. Veni Vidi Vegas out.